In Moodle 4.5, there are some changes in how you set up links to external tools such as Zoom or Echo360 and others. Before the upgrade, in Moodle, you would normally create these links by going into Add an Activity or Resource, and then from the Activity Chooser, selecting External Tools to access a drop-down menu of options. In Moodle 4.5, these site-level tools, or also known as LTIs, will be more accessible within the Activity Chooser. So if I click on Add an Activity or Resource, rather than having to click down into the External Tool option, I will see all of the external tool options that are site level here in the Activity Chooser. By site level, these are the tools that all faculty and students have access to through their NAS login. Faculty might add to Moodle to easily set up and manage access to those areas for themselves and also for students. So for example, Zoom can be more readily available for scheduling meetings and accessing meetings. Echo360 can be set up for setting up links to any video captures that are done in Echo360 classrooms, and any courses that are in the Day 1 Books Done program can use the course materials link for linking out to the Barnes & Noble portal. These are just some examples of the site-level external tools. LTIs are publisher resources that involve linking or integrating elements such as gradebook or activities from the publisher's online platform or site are also managed a little differently. If you have previously set up publisher resources in Moodle but do not see them as options in the Activity Chooser, you need to set this up by going to the More drop-down on your course's navigation bar. From here, you can select the LTI External Tools link. In this menu, you'll find the same full list of options that were previously available through the External Tools drop-down menu. Under the Show in Activity Chooser column, this is where you can actually turn on a publisher resource or other external tool to show up in the Activity Chooser. You would just switch these controls to the on position. Then by going back to my main course page, when I'm ready to then add those specific tools as links from the main course page, I can go ahead and I can add an activity or resource, and then I'll see them show up in the Activity Chooser. If there are resources you don't normally use and want to simplify which external tools appear in your Activity Chooser, you can again go up to the More drop-down and back into the LTI External Tools area, and then switch them just to the off position. Note that if you have a new publisher resource and you're looking to integrate it with Moodle, or you're setting up publisher resources that you've used in the past, please reach out to Teaching and Learning Technologies if you have any questions or need assistance.